How to change your profile photo on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the profile option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the edit option beside your username. Now tap on the change photo option you see there, and with this, you will be required to choose if you want to take a photo instantly or if you want to upload photo from your camera roll. Tap on upload photo if you want to upload from camera roll, and then go ahead and choose the photo that you want to add as your profile picture. Now, in the interface that you will then be led to, you can simply tap on the save and post option if you want to post this photo to your story, and if you don't want to post it to your story, then simply tap on the post this photo to story radio button in order to untap it, and then tap on the save option, and with this your profile photo will be changed. So this was about how you can change your profile photo on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.